x portion to get to the intersection point, right? We don't know where the intersection is. Obviously, I drew it over here. It could be anywhere. So let's write that mathematical equation out. So we know that 2 times the number of iterations the slow pointer does is equal to the number of iterations the fast pointer does, right? How many spaces it moves versus how many spaces the slow pointer moves. Of course, the fast one is twice as fast. That's why we have to multiply the slow one by 2 to make it equal to this one. And how many iterations did we say that the fast one does? It's going to do p plus cx, right, to get to this position. And then it's going to do another complete cycle starting from here to get back to this position, right? So the fast pointer is going to be p plus c minus x plus c again. So more simplified, it's going to be p plus 2c minus x. The slow pointer is just going to do p, and then it's just going to do c minus x. So we'll have a 2 on the outside, p plus c minus x. So I'm going to take this equation and simplify it over here to the right. So once we simplify it a little bit, we're going to get 2p plus 2c minus 2x, which is equal to p plus 2c minus x. And then this is the part where you can start doing a little bit of algebra. So we can cross out the 2c from both sides of the equation. We can cross out 1x from each side of the equation, and we can cross out 1p from each side of the equation. Once we do that algebra, we're left with the equation, and sorry that's getting a little bit messy, we're left with a single p and a single negative x. So we get p minus x is equal to, notice how we crossed out everything on the right side. So we got p minus x is equal to 0. When we rearrange that, we get p is equal to 0. What did we just prove? We just proved that the pre-portion of the cycle is always equal to this, right? So that's how we know once we have
this is the reason like I really like this algorithm. It's such a clean algorithm. But I was just not able to explain it that in the end. Yeah, this is lovely. I would not say this is the reason I love computer science, but this is like, it makes me appreciate computer science and just programming.
Pointer over here, then we can set another slow pointer over here, keep iterating them by 1, and for sure when they meet, they're going to meet at the start of the cycle. They're always going to meet at this position. So I hope this explains a little bit of the intuition and a little bit of how, this is very rigorous, this is a proof, this is always going to work, and now you know why it's always going to work, but the code is actually really simple. Now one last thing I didn't mention before we dive into the code is that notice how this pre-portion could be really long. It could be even longer than the entire length of the cycle. So how would that update our math? Would our math still work out in that case? And I didn't include this in the math because I don't want to overcomplicate it too much, but yes, the math would.
I would assume it would work just based on the divisible, like it would just loop, it would be divisible with each other.
Would work. Instead of having 2c over here, we would have an n over here, and the math would end up still working out. Basically, we would always start back at the beginning here. We traverse this many nodes, and then from here, basically, instead of just traveling this small distance, it could be possible that we would have to do multiple loops.
Yeah.
Because if this distance was really long, longer than the length of this loop, we would have to do multiple loops. But after all of that, the remainder would still be this portion left. So we would still end up getting to this position, the start of the loop. Okay, now we can finally get into the code. So remember, we're going to be starting at phase 1 of this algorithm. We're going to have 2 pointers, fast and slow. They're always going to start at 0, remember, because we know 0 is not a part of the cycle. That's for sure. And we're going to keep iterating through these loops. I think there's an easier way to write this code, but I'm lazy, so just while true, we're going to...
I think
Lulu_PSD. Did you bug?
Did I bug? What does that mean? Okay, so this is essentially linked list with fast, slow algo. So slow, fast equals to 0, 0. Well,
Lulu_PSD. I mean, did the stream cut? Loudly crying face.
I hope not. I hate when it does. The easiest way for me to check is using YouTube. Yeah, fuck. It bugged. It stopped. Yeah, apparently I was without internet. I didn't know. It was really quiet. So yeah, thanks Lulu for seeing that.
Lulu_PSD. You were offline.
Yeah, but I see it on this because like it says I streamed 3 minutes ago. Fuck, I hope
Lulu_PSD. But for just a few minutes.
I hope Rahul is like it didn't just kick him out or something. I don't know how YouTube Live works, to be fair. Yeah, thanks for giving me a heads up. Should I update the name then? I don't know. For giving a heads up. Should I update the name then? I don't know. For right. Anyway, I don't know like what you guys like how much was lost, but I especially for you Lula, I now am able to explain the fast slow algo, like the Heron Torres algorithm mathematically and why it's correct. yeah. And now I want to find a... Yeah, I can just set it as true. Just like the way Leetcode did it. So slow would be equals to nums of 0. And fast would be equals to nums of fast. And if slow equals to fast, return, not return, break. So we break out of the while loop. I really prefer to do it like a real. And now we will initialize slow as 0 again. So while true again.
Rahul Gampa. The video ends.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that, Rahul. I think it was just some internet connectivity issues. Lulu told me the same thing, that I was offline for a while. I don't know how long. I hope it wasn't that long. But yeah, now I understand this more. And the reason I can do it this way is something called loop invariance, which essentially is a guarantee that I know for a fact that this will I'm not completely, I need to read more about it, but I think like in these cases I know for a fact it will return something, or it's supposed to at least. Yeah. Why did I write it this way? Yeah. This was actually clean. I like this question. So I have it. Now I have 3 different ways of doing it. So this is like the hash set. Yeah, I like this question. This was a nice question. I just did it. So now I can mark this as complete and see. Now I should be able to solve most of these without any big issues, I would assume. We will at least hope for it. So yeah, reorder linked list. You can head off a single linked list, which is length 7, for example. You can use this.
Thebiest_RG. I think I'll also join from here.
Okay. Yeah, well, welcome to Twitch.
Lulu_PSD. Hey guys.
In the following order. Okay, so we have to be following. Not modify the values of the list, but instead you must reorder nodes themselves. Okay, how would I do this?
Lulu_PSD. Are you the YouTube's viewer?
Yeah, that was the YouTube viewer, so now you're both on Twitch. essentially,
Thebiest underscore RG. Yeah, the same person at Lulu underscore PSD.
okay, my intuition.
Lulu underscore PSD. Welcome.
My intuition is to use slow, fast to find middle. Then I would reverse the second half. And then I would connect them properly. Oh, I hate how it is to go. I would just merge them together. Okay, that's my intuition. So let's just try it out. I will check out something. Like how the cases would be in an even length and an odd length. But regardless, I would still just do a flow, fast, slow. Oh, that's why I said flow. Fast next. We will slow would be equals to slow of next, and fast would be equals to fast of next. So it moves 2 steps ahead. At the end, I would just want to see what slow returns. Yeah, obviously gonna return this. What the fuck were so? What did I expect? Val. That would point to also this node. Yeah, so it starts like, okay. So this will be the second half, while if it's odd, it will be the middle element. That will be the second half. Right. Now I need to, so this is this part. Now I need to reverse. Now this is the mindfuck part. Let's use cur and prev equals to cur would be equal to, this is always the reverse. I need to like practice reversing linked list more. Current would be equal to slow and prev would be none. So wouldn't it? While cur so cur of next equals to prev equals to cur, and cur equals to cur of next. Isn't this how? Okay, let's just do it combine. Is this the way I wanted it? It will, yeah, I won't be able to see, yeah. Yeah, I assume so. You're out. Yeah. 8 and 6. It looks promising. It looks promising. So now we merge them. Merge them. How would why do I struggle with merging? I also need to check. Every time is I don't expect you guys to like talk all the time, but every time it's silent, I'm always worried that it's not working. Every time it's silent, I'm always worried that yeah. And now we merge them. Merging would be, notice the general case for length n following number. Why do you struggle with like a merged how would I do it the simplest way? Do I just create, okay, let's see, how would I do this the simplest way? Is it like val prev? Like I kind of just want to do like dummy equals to how would I do it the simplest way? Dummy equals to none. Is it like this? So prev, it will first take the first element. So for dummy, and I don't know if this is the proper way of doing it. I'm using a lot of memory. I'm using a lot of memory. I don't need to do it this much. Okay, dummy. Dummy, okay. How would this be?
Thebiest_RG. You are not using the memory, you are
That's
just
true.
creating
That's
more
true.
references.
That's true. That's great, Rahul. That's true. In my mind, I was like, oh, I'm creating references. This is the thing I struggle with, like with linked lists. It's like the different way of like understanding how memory is saved and accessed. But yeah, I'm creating more references. That's true. Fuck. Why am I struggling on this one? I'm just merging two fucking linked lists. It's not that difficult. Okay, I need to understand. Okay, what is the things I need a dummy, I need dummy next, and that's it. Why do I struggle so much with this? It's not even that, it's not supposed to be that hard. Hard, org, dummy next equals prev. Okay, what the fuck with this? Yeah, this is not what I wanted. It should be 8. I would assume the next one will be 4, just like to ensure. Fucking shit, why is this so... It's not even that hard, it's merging two linked lists, why am I struggling? That doesn't even exist. Oh. That doesn't even exist, wait a second. I know there's something dumb here that I can't see.
Thebiest_RG. Are there any constraints on memory?
Not that I can see. Yeah, like the recommended is like constant space. Why am I struggling with this? I'm just merging them together. Why is that so difficult?
Thebiest_RG. For this to pass, before optimization of space, why not create a list of nodes and merge them, one from first half, second from second half?
For this to pass before optimization of space, why not create a list of the nodes and merge them? One for the first half, second for the second half. You were saying something smart here. I think that I'm just confused on how I divided it. So the okay, I just need like what? Yeah, I was gonna revert. Okay, there. Which is slow. Yeah, I agree. Oh, why did I do this? The second half, yeah. That was what I call prev. Oh, wait.
Thebiest_RG. Lulu seems to be struggling with Mac again, face with tears of joy.
Yeah, she's probably gonna struggle for a whole day, I would assume. Okay, so the issue was here. Okay, what is this doing? It creates second equals to oh, it should be next.
Lulu_PSD. Face with tears of joy, face with tears of joy.
Okay, so while second, they create temporary, which is equal to second. Okay, I need to understand. Second is the slow next. So
Lulu_PSD. I'm settling everything again, but I'm still here.
Okay, now comes. Yeah, that's what you said to me, Rahul. Yeah, so first would be head, and second would be prep. Okay, just give me a second. I want to try something. Like, oh shit. Like, is my implementation of this incorrect? So now yeah, I just want to check like this is first, second equals head prev. So while second, so I was even thinking correctly. They use two temps. Yeah, they save those first. And after that, the first next would be equals to second, and the second next would be equal to temp 1, and first and second would then be equals to temp 1, temp 2. Yeah. And so yeah, we don't even, yeah, because we are not returning anything, we're just changing it. I'm gonna just check like this worked or not. Okay, just checking that it's not because of this. Okay, so this implementation was wrong. I just needed to make sure it was wrong. And second, okay, so second of next would be prev. Prev would be equal to second, and second would be equal to temp. So oh yeah, it's not while cur, it's while second. What annoys me that I actually like saw the like my intuition was correct. I understood how to solve it. I was just unable to solve. So what I need to practice some more for my legendary to do It's
Lulu_PSD. Are you a dev at Thebiest_RG?
so what I need to okay, the things I'm fast, slow, I feel I'm comfortable with. I need to learn to merge properly, and I also need to reverse. That's the things I need. These I need to practice some more. So look at my legendary OG to-do list. Who needs a to-do list?
Thebiest_RG. Yeah, I am. I got 4 YOE under my ass relieved face.
From the end of the list, okay. You're gonna beginning, remove the ends from the end of the list and return the beginning of the list.
Thebiest_RG. Are you a dev? At Lulu_PSD?
I know the answer to your question, but I think it's better for Lulu to just answer herself. I'm not gonna be the one that talks all the time. You guys can socialize in between yourselves.
Lulu_PSD. Cool. Front end? Back end? What kind? And which language? S.
Yeah, I'm also interested in hearing that answer. Like a brute force way of doing this.
Lulu_PSD. I'm a web dev, but I'm still learning because I love learning and I'm a noob. Cool story Bob. Cool story Bob.
So the brute force intuition I have is to reverse the whole linked list and then iterate. However, I do not like the worst case would be n squared. The side I get to very like it would work completely fine to do this way based on the constraints. However, can't I just I don't need to do it this way. Why the fuck was that?
Thebiest_RG. I primarily do Java, but not limited to it. I do some front-end as well. I work on an enterprise software, said that, but I mostly worked at the API layer.
Cool. Like you could say my formal background from like work experience is as a front-end developer myself, but I work mostly with the API integration. So my goal is to start working towards full stack and probably go into backend to more because I enjoy the logic-based reasoning.
Lulu_PSD. Java not like this, I'll have to learn it soon.
Yeah, I feel like the industry standards, at least in my experience, is either Java or C++, in backend at least. Okay, yeah, and I realized that was a dumb way of doing it. I can just use simple.
Thebiest_RG. I do Java for
Oh, you
Leetcode too.
you fucking madman. That's a mad lad move to use Java. I saw like, no, what the fuck is wrong with you? I saw some of the contests. Give me a sec. This was actually my first contest ever, which is cool. So this is like I didn't do great. Oh fuck! I got much better. What the fuck? I was like 6,000 something. Now I'm 5,000.
Lulu_PSD. Not like this, not like this, not like this.
But I was like looking at like some of the motherfuckers who use Java. Like, why the fuck did you do that?
Thebiest_RG. Best way to learn Java, I guess.
Yeah, see, like all of like. Yeah, like the majority is C++ or Python. And then we have this Golang motherfucker. Oh my god. I don't fuck. Okay, it's not. This Golang motherfucker. Look at him.
Lulu_PSD. Really? Solaris 428. So early? Thebiest_RG. How TF Java guy stood third?
Yeah,
Solaris
that was a good-
428. Oh, you did a virtual?
No. We just talked about the Rahul, or like what's your name in Twitter? The best RG. He like primarily uses Java for Leetcode, and I'm like, oh my god, what the fuck is wrong with you?
Lulu_PSD. At Solaris 428. Hey guys, hey guys.
But yeah, I've been streaming since 10 o'clock today, Solaris. Like I said, I went to bed early yesterday. I slept really bad once again. I'm probably gonna go to bed early today too. I went to bed at like 2 a.m. and I woke up like 4 or 5. So I haven't slept that much, but I just couldn't sleep
Solaris 428. Have you seen my Discord messages?
No, I have not. Because Discord is still... I'm unable to open it, so I need to use it in browser. Oh my god, what the fuck is this? Oh, Unify. I was like looking at all of these and they're like, no. No, please, Solaris, don't make me do more homework. Yeah. Yeah, is it to the thing we talked about yesterday?
Solaris 428. Yeah.
I imagine that could be cool to do. But yeah, like I said, I think we can plan more off stream, just to figure out like the structure.
Thebiest_RG. Good to see you'll teach each other. Thebiest_RG. And give challenges.
I would just say, with me and Solaris, it's not me teaching him. It's 100% him teaching me. He's the teacher. I'm the student. Just to point that out. I'm able to like teach like simple stuff, but not anything difficult. And so there is, you remember you talked about your drawing skills. This is my explanation of my drawing skills, of how a tortoise and hare algorithm works. Because Solaris was explaining something to me yesterday.
Solaris 428. Oh, it's way better than me.
What the fuck are you talking about? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this motherfucker.
Solaris 428. I can't draw that. Thebiest_RG. I have seen Solaris in a couple of other streams too. Seems like you all are a community. Restream.io. Trophy, congratulations. You've received 100 messages today with Restream chat. Lulu_PSD. LULLULLUL. Thebiest_RG. Rabbit with chicken legs.
No, I will explain what I try to draw. It's the chunky. Oh, what's it called? Bugs Bunny? What big chunkus? I tried to draw big chunkus. I was unable to draw big chunkus. Do you see the do you see the similarities?
Solaris 428. So Big Chungus is still twice as fast as the tortoise?
Obviously. Look at this motherfucker. This dude, to be fair, it looks like a hero. How do you say it? Say that word. Hieroglyph? No, hero. Fuck it. Okay, I was like wondering, like maybe that glyph would. Okay, that's so much better. Okay, but how do I say this word? I always struggle with this word.
Hieroglyph.
Hieroglyph. Ah. Hieroglyph. Yeah. Yeah, Big Chungus is obviously faster than this motherfucker. The only time Big Chungus is not faster is when Big Chungus needs to slow down and is the same speed as the turtle. Then it would be Big Chungus with. Okay, it looks like a snail. I promise you, this is a turtle shell.
Thebiest_RG. I wonder if people are gonna guess your drawings in the game of Scribble.
Dude, the worst part is I'm pretty good at Scribble, like with my friends. Like all of them understand what the fuck I'm saying. And also I'm great at guessing their things, so that might be the issue. You wanna play a game of Scribble Ego? Just like as a break. How do I... Can I actually play with you guys? That would be fun. Oh no, I just got in. What the fuck is this? What the fuck? Super. It's bad. It's DC Comics. Yeah, but this wasn't for me. DC Comics is now. I can't be bothered. I think that's my goal, to be a big enough streamer so I can play Scribble with you guys. Anyways, back to this. Remove the nth from end. So nth, I'm just like this is 1, this is 2. Why is this so hard for me? Wait a second. This is 4 minus 2 is 2. Yeah. I always get worried when there's no sound. I just wonder if like my stream is stopped again. It happened. It's happened. I wonder if like my stream is stopped again. Looks like that's fine. Back to reality. Oh fuck yeah! I don't know how long it is. Now it makes sense. Do I actually need to reverse it? I think that's so inefficient.
Lulu_PSD. We should do a scribble.
Can we with like this few people? I was what? Oh, what the fuck?
Scrabble is now double.
Oh my god, my internet is killing me.
Doubling the fun with 2 games in 1. Flip your classic Scrabble board to play Scrabble together.
Solaris 428. Nah, I'm too bad at drawing.
Yeah, fuck you, I don't care. You're going to draw with me.
Milo Labs. OMG, an ad. Haven't seen one of those for ages.
Yeah, I haven't bothered getting an ad blocker. I don't use my computer that much for it. I usually just play games on...
Solaris 428. You should fix your Q3 of the contest. You were close.
That's just...
Lulu_PSD. We are all bad, don't worry.
Let's do this. I feel like at most...
Milo Labs. What games you play? Mentioned them a lot today.
Oh, have I? I didn't mean to mention a lot. I play some League, as you probably can see. And mostly it's Steam. I haven't played for a long time, but I'm really fond of like Paradox games with Crusader Kings. And I talked to Leetcode about to Solaris about it, but like I played for almost like it's not that far from 1,000 hours, and I'm still considered a noob in this game. I love that fact. So I played a lot of Hearts of Iron, and then I actually played like decent amount of this throughout the ages. This is like a game from like the old Linux. Growing up, I had a Linux machine. IO. What?
Milo Labs. Wow. I CLD not understand Hearts of Iron.
Yeah, but dude, Hearts of
I
Iron.
tried to play.
Okay, Malo, Solaris, do you want to join the drawing competition? I will give you 1 minute before we start, and we'll see how this goes.
Lulu_PSD. Come with us.
Yeah, but Hearts of Iron is a fucking difficult game. Okay, then I think that's everyone.
Lulu_PSD.
Let's go.
Yii.
Is it?
Milo Labs. You need someone to come last.
Can you draw some more Malo?
Milo Labs. Sorry, what is the game rules?
You just need to draw like something, and we need to guess what it is. It would be.
Milo Labs. Alpaca.
Ah. Is that cheating that you told me it's on stream? Oh, what the fuck? That's a long word. Table of umbrella. Okay, you got a difficult one. Oh my god. Okay, Lulu, you're a graphic designer. You should be great at this. You got an easy one. That's not fair. They had fucking alpaca and fucking gramophone. That's not fair. Yeah, I said I'm great at these games. I'm great. I got you. I said I'm great at these. I'm great at these. Fucking what the fuck am I doing?
Lulu_PSD. Hide your screen.
Just don't look at it. It's too late. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. How do I change things? Okay, we have